Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our student got placed in a company, so she's going to share her experience.
Hello everyone, my name is Chandana. I have recently completed my BE in Government Engineering College, Kerpete, and I joined the PySpiders in the month of March. I got placed in the within the span of time of 6 months. So manual testing was taught by Pradeep Aldur sir and Niranjan sir, and Python was taught by Keshav sir and Vijay sir, and Selenium was taught by Lakshmi Prasad sir, and SQL was taught by Vinod sir, and which
So which are all the activities helped to crack interview?
for the boot camp, it helped me to lot because it helped me to crack the interviews and improve my communications. And mock interviews are help me to understand the concepts very clearly.
Okay, good. So congratulations, thank you.